Hi students, welcome. I am Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, RMD Engineering College, Chennai. In this video presentation, we are going to learn about some basic concept of surface chemistry. From this, here we discuss about what is adsorption, absorption, sorption and their differences with day-to-day life examples. Now we will see what is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry is nothing but the study of chemical reaction takes place at the surface of any substances. How this chemical reaction takes place at the surface of solid or liquid. There is an unbalanced or residual forces act along the surface of liquid or solid which create a surface tension. Because of these residual forces, the surface of a solid has a tendency to attract or retain of other species. For example, rusting of iron. When iron exposed to atmosphere, which undergo oxidation to form ferric oxide rust at the surface. Some phenomena work based on this principle, such as catalysis process, formation of colloid, various reactions occur at electrode chromatographic technique. Surface chemistry has a major role in various chemical processes, for example, enzymatic reactions at the biological interfaces found in the cell walls and membranes. If you take on electronic industry, interface of microchips used in computer is working based on this principle. Similarly, in automobile industry, the catalytic converter is used for cleaning emission is also based on this principle only. Now we will see what is absorption. Absorption is nothing but one substance enter into another substance and get uniformly distributed throughout the body of the other substances. For example, we will see day-to-day life example. In early morning we all drink tea and eat biscuit. If we dip biscuit in tea, what will happen? Tea spread over in biscuit. We prepare gulab jamun in comb. First we fry gulab jamun in oil. After that we put it in sugar syrup. What will happen? Sugar syrup is completely spread over in gulab jamun. Similarly, when we immerse a sponge in water, what happens? Here water is uniformly distributed in sponge. From the above example, we have two substances like tea biscuit, gulab jamun sugar and sponge water. Here one substance absorbs another substance. This process is called absorption. Here we will see two terms. One is adsorbate, another one is adsorbent. The substance which is being absorbed is called adsorbent. Here which substance is adsorbate? Water. Water is an adsorbate. Now the substance which absorbs is called adsorbent. Here which substance is adsorbent? Sponge. Sponge is a adsorbent. Now we will see adsorption. Adsorption is nothing but one substance accumulate on the surface of another substance. For example, if you write something on blackboard using chalk, what will happen? Your chalk particle accumulate over the surface of blackboard. Similarly, if you paint the wall, what will happen? Your paint accumulate over the surface of the wall. So here, in this example, what is adsorbate? Chalk and paint. Chalk and paint particles accumulate over the surface. So that is called adsorbate here. So what is adsorbent? Board and wall. Now we will see sorption. Sorption is a process in which both adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously. For example, if you take on chalk and ink, if you immerse the chalk fully in ink, what will happen? Here ink contains two substances. What are the two substances? One is water, another one is dyes. The chalk absorb water, but dyes spread only over the surface of chalk. Here two processes like adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously. This is called sorption. So now we will see desorption. What is desorption? It is a reverse process of adsorption. The process of removal of adsorbate from the surface of adsorbent is called as desorption. So here if you take on layer of the board, the chalk particle is accumulated over the duster, is it? So now when we remove this chalk particle from this duster, you can call it as desorption process. Now we will see what is the difference between adsorption and absorption. So what is adsorption? Molecules accumulate over the surface. So adsorption is a surface phenomena, whereas what is absorption? Molecules is uniformly distributed throughout the body. So absorption is a bulk phenomena. Adsorption is a fast process, whereas absorption is a slow process. In adsorption, the attainment of equilibrium is easy, whereas in absorption, attainment of equilibrium is slow. In adsorption process, the concentration of molecule are more on the surface and less in the bulk, whereas in absorption, the distribution of molecule is uniformly throughout the body. Thank you for watching my video.